Greetings, warriors. I'm Colonel Jeannie Leavitt, commander of the 4th Fighter Wing, and would like to speak to you about the upcoming Wing Operational Readiness Exercise. Whether this is your first ORE or you have spent countless hours in MOPP-4, many of you may be wondering, why do we have to do this? You may feel that you are being pulled away from your primary mission to focus on activities that seem to have little impact or relevance. You may be thinking about the long work hours, tedious duties, MOPP level changes, and high-stress environment of an ORE and asking, what's the point? For nearly a decade, the 4th Fighter Wing has supported America's combat operations across the globe in a fairly predictable battle rhythm. We have deployed to relatively permissive environments without the threat of chemical, biological, and nuclear attack. We showed the world the incredible power of the 4th Fighter Wing as we delivered precision combat air power whenever and wherever it was needed. There are many areas of the world today that could, with little notice, rapidly develop into a crisis situation or a major theater conflict. Many of these regions contain highly formidable adversaries who could force airmen to operate in contested and degraded environments. These OREs and the eventual ORI force us out of our comfort zone and into the challenging and uncertain environment of the next war, pushing our combat capability to the next level and ensuring that we are fully prepared to accomplish our mission. As your commander, I want to stress that the OREs and ORIs exist to prepare us all to deploy at a moment's notice as a strong, unified wing. As you are in MOPP-4 next week, executing our mission and defending our great nation, remember the importance of this exercise. Fight the cynicism and frustration that would threaten to dull our fighting edge. Remember that the 4th Fighter Wing is the tip of the spear for American combat air power, and our country is counting on us to be ready to answer the call. Remember, we are American airmen, and our mission is to fly, fight, and win. Take advantage of this opportunity to practice while the adversary is simulated. I'll see you at Base X.